I edit all my videos in DaVinci Resolve, and today the company has released the version 20 in public beta. It's one of the biggest DaVinci Resolve updates I have seen in a while, and that has me excited. If you also want to take it for a spin, here's how to install DaVinci Resolve 20 public beta. These steps will work for both studio and free versions. Before we begin, it's always a good idea to create a backup of your files before updating, so do that before proceeding with the steps. Now, let's get to it. Open a browser and visit blackmagicdesign.com, which is the official site of DaVinci Resolve. You can find its link in the video description. Click to open the support page and then click on DaVinci Resolve and choose an item. Scroll down and you will see a latest downloads section. You will find the buttons to download both the free and studio version of Resolve here. Download the version meant for your operating system. Once it's downloaded, double-click the zip file to extract the installer. On the Mac, it will give you the DMG file. Remember, you don't have to uninstall DaVinci Resolve 19 to install the public beta version. It will automatically replace it, so go ahead and double-click the DMG file to start the installation process. Now, all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompts. Click the Continue button where required and agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, click the Install button to install DaVinci Resolve 20 public beta. If prompted, enter your Mac password to confirm the installation. It will now take a few minutes to complete the installation. Once you get the installation was successful message, delete the installer and eject the installation disk. And that's it. Now launch DaVinci Resolve and you will see the new public beta version. I have added some videos in pinned comments that showcase all the new features of DaVinci Resolve, so check them out and enjoy this fantastic update. I hope you liked this guide. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.